Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to add pre-order button to product in Shopify. So Shopify doesn't have a default pre-order button features, but you can easily set it up manually without using an app. So the simplest no code method is by using a product inventory settings and changing the add to cart button text. So here is how you can simply do that. So go to the product you want to offer for pre-order in Shopify admin. Then from there, under the inventory section, check the box that says continue selling when out of stock. So this allows customers to purchase the product even if its inventory is zero, essentially functioning as a pre-order. Next, make it clear to customers you should update the product title or description to mention that it's a pre-order items and include expected shipping date. To choose the add to cart button, text to pre-order instead of adding to cart. You can edit the language settings by going to online store, then click on theme. From there, click on action, then click edit themes contact, then search for add to test cart and replace it with a pre-order for product you want to offer in advance. So this method requires no code and works well if you are handling a few pre-order items. For more automated dynamic solution, like only changing the button to certain product. So you do need to use a pre-order app like a pre-order now or a global pre-order, which lets you manage pre-order product more efficiently without coding. So to add a pre-order button in Shopify without app, allow continue selling when out of stock, update product messaging, and change the add to cart text through themed content, a simple no code way to enable pre-order.